Hey everybody, Jandareview, and today we are up here at Corinth, Mississippi at Corinth RV Center. Now we are excited today to get to bring you another camper from Corinth. So a big thanks to them for allowing us to come up and do this video. Now today we are excited to bring you a 2022 Jayco Whitehawk 27RB. The length on this Whitehawk is 32 feet 10 inches. The dry weight is 6,765 pounds, and the hitch weight is 815. So we're going to show you, we're going to go ahead and start on the inside because we've got a cold day here in Mississippi. Here we go.
Well, here we are, folks, inside the Jayco Whitehawk, and we'd like to show you when you come in, your controls are going to be right up here. This is your light controls. You do have the J command, which is going to be your awning slides, and our understanding is that this will sync with your phone so you can control it from your phone, which is an excellent feature. Let me back up just a hair. Right down here you're going to have just a little bit of storage. That would be great for you ladies who like to stash your purses when you come in the door. That would be excellent. You do have a plug-in, and I believe this is your water tank switch. Maybe?
I don't know.
It's red. See? We're not sure what that is.
Maybe the 12 volt.
It could be.
Tank heaters?
Could be. While we're coming around this way, let me go ahead and show you this. You can use this as a pantry, or you'll see that it does have some hooks up here, and these shelves are removable. So if you would like to use this as a coat closet, just take your shelves out, and they do go all the way down to the floor, which is great. I love that. Coming around here to the kitchen, you're going to have a nice angled sink. Yes, Jeremy was just showing you the little extension there, and we'll show you what that looks like when it's pulled all the way out. You've got three nice sized drawers right down here. This is going to have a sealed edge countertop. You have a nice two-sided stainless steel sink with a nice high-rise faucet. Back here you're going to have an extra plug-in. You have a nice tower of power right there. Your window up here will open. I do like that they gave you a metal blind on this, especially being this close to the stove. That's a nice safety feature. You have a light right up above. You've got some cabinet storage. Nice big open space. Down below the sink, you're going to have a little bit of storage, not a ton, but you've got a little bit right there. Be a great place for some sponges or whatever. Coming right back up, they give you a nice Furrion microwave with a range hood. Also a Furrion 3-burner stove.
Yep.
With an oven.
Yep.
You have
my goodness.
A huge drawer underneath. This would be great for some pots and pans. And they finish off their kitchen with a 12-volt Furrion refrigerator. And
nice.
We really like that all of the appliances are the same. Right next to your refrigerator, you have even more space. So if you wanted to use that other closet for a coat closet, you still have plenty of room for a pantry. And here's your fuse panel down here. Okay, now we will get into the living room, dining room area. This is a nice 40-inch Insignia TV. Up above it, you've got some, oh goodness, that's deep storage. Yeah. I'm not sure if you can tell, but it's very nice and deep. You've got a little bit of storage here on both sides.
TV is, I thought, on a swivel, but I don't know for sure.
Okay, we're not sure about the TV. Little storage on that side, little storage on that side, and of course there's your radio and control. You do have a really nice fireplace down here, which will work great for some extra heat. And they give you a little space for your shoes.
Have a seat and let them show them the view from the...
Yes, if you want to know, I'm sitting here on the sofa, so you have a nice view. It's a really great angle for a TV viewing on days when it's raining, or like today it's too cold to be outside. So that is just great. Okay, let's turn around and show you the sofa. So you have a nice, this is from the Stacy Stewart collection. This is going to fold out. We'll show you what that looks like. So you have a little tri-fold sofa. All of your windows in here are going to open for some airflow, and they do have the nice black pleated shades.
Yes.
Yeah, so that's great for blocking out extra light. I love these little sconces that they give you. I think those are a really nice touch.
I love that everything is
on
switches.
It is on switches, and you even have some little extra lighting under your sofa area. You do have a freestanding table and chairs, and the table has a leaf. If you'll look at it, we'll show you what that looks like when it's extended. So if you need a little extra elbow room, you can just pop that leaf out. Or if you just need this as a couples camper, you can actually leave 2 of your chairs at home and have a little more compact eating area. Up here at the top, let's show you this really big exhaust fan. That is really nice. You do have a nice skylight, and they give you
with a shade.
A shade.
Awesome.
So thank you, Jayco, for that. That is very thoughtful.
Furrion.
This is the first of your 2 Furrion air conditioning units. And let me back up where you can see all of these lights that you have in here. So along with your lighter farmhouse interior, you have great lighting, and so it's nice and bright in here. Okay, let's take them into the bedroom area.
All right. Love the sliding door.
Yes, that is very nice. Back here, I believe this is going to be a queen size bed. We don't have the exact measurements on it, but I think this is going to be a queen. You've got a really nice large windshield right up front, and it does have a blackout shade on it. If we can get over there to it. Yes.
There we go.
Yes, and I do like that Jayco gave you these little side valances that helps block out some of the light.
And these are...
They give you...
touch.
Yes, reading lights that are touch, and there's 3 different settings. So that is
awesome.
That is great. I love those. On both sides, you're going to have these wardrobes. They've got a hanging bar. They give you a shelf, so if you want all hanging, you can remove the shelf. Down here, there's a TV box in the way. We're sorry about that. It does have a plug-in and a USB, and then your...
This is light switch for the little lights at the back.
That controls your lights at the back. As you'll see, you're going to have this on both sides. This particular unit does give you a second entry door, which is, great if you... we use ours for loading, so it's wonderful. Now I'm going to turn around and show you one more great feature about this bedroom. If you choose to use these wardrobes as shelves instead of hanging, and I'm trying not to get myself in the mirror, but here I am, you're still going to have a hanging space up here, a nice mirror. They give you some hooks, and down here below they give you 4 very, and the shelf, the drawer at the bottom is really big.
Yes.
So if you need even more hanging storage, you've got it right here, or you can just use this as a really nice dressing area. So excellent. Right here is your backer board for your TV, and here is your second AC unit.
Yep.
This is just wonderful. Okay, let's head to the back of this travel trailer and show you the rear bath.
All right.
Okay, now we love a rear bath because it gives you so much room. The ever famous shower test for us, Jeremy's about 6 feet tall. Let me slide in here and you will see he has more than enough room. This travel trailer has excellent ceiling height. So it does have a skylight. So if you're upwards of probably 6'4",
Yeah.
you would have more than enough room. They have very nice deep area here for your linen. We have found that if you use the plastic shoe bins that you can find at Walmart or any dollar store, they will slide right in there so you can reach your items at the back. Come right around. They give you a very nice window here. It does also open and it does have the black pleated shade. You have your towel bar. You have a huge, I don't even know if you would call this a medicine cabinet. This is storage. And it's mirrored on both sides. Down here you have
got these little lights.
Yes, it is. That is great. It's not even, it's like a little light strip under there. Okay, I'm amazed by that. I haven't seen that before. It's great. They give you a nice large vanity area, nice sink. You have a little bit of storage under here.
Yeah,
I'm going to back up just a tad more. This is actually, it's not a black hole. It is actually some storage, so you can use that.
And you also have the little blue light. I love that for little
Yes.
little night light right
I'm
there.
going to back up into the shower so you can see it right there. So if you need just a little bit of light at night, there it is.
All right. All right, folks, that's it. That's the review. Now, if you like this travel trailer, just give them a call up here at Corinth RV Center, and you can also check all that description, their website and everything down in the description below. So, hey, thanks everybody.